Let us start with the session. So, hi everyone. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. I'm Aarti and I will be your host for today. So, kids, today we are here for a demo and interaction program for grade 5 mathematics. I assume that mathematics would be the favorite subject of many of you because it is one of my favorite subjects too. Right. And so I'll just explain you the flow of this session. Basically, in this session, first of all, there would be an introduction by your mentor, Gunjan ma'am. After that, Rajan sir will be taking you through a short PPT wherein he would be explaining you the details about this course. After that, a tour of the platform would be given wherein you will understand what all you would be able to access on our platform. Post that, there would be a short question and answer round. So if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we will be answering all your queries. Post the question and answer round, we will be starting with the demo session for which you all are here. So kids, do note that today, since it's a demo session, so the demo session would be of a shorter duration, that is for around 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, but then your regular classes will be of 75 minutes completely. Okay, got it? Right. So kids, I'll just hand it over to now Gunjan ma'am for a brief introduction. So welcome Gunjan ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you here. So if you can provide a brief introduction about yourself.
Okay. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, hello Aarti ma'am, hello Rajan sir, and hello cute kids today. I'm very happy to see you all. Such a wonderful faces and cute faces today, class 5th. I always love this class. Okay. So, how many of you are already linked with Olympiad Success previously? I have heard that yes, Aditya was there. Any other student who was there with us in Olympiad Success? No? Okay, Madhura was there. Okay, you can use the reactions. You have the thumbs up or you can use that. Okay, Prakriti was also there. Okay, that's great. That means some of you already know about how we take the classes in Olympiad Success and how you do the revision, how you take the classes, how you take the worksheets, right? Okay. So I am Gunjan Jain. I will be your mentor for this session. And I hope you will all enjoy the classes. If you love math, how many of you love math? Okay, how many of you hate math? Just give the reaction. How many of you hate math? Aditya, you hate math? No? Okay. Okay. That means all of you love math. So you people will not be having any problem in taking the classes. Okay. Do you feel any kind of problem in online classes if I ask you? How many of you feel there is a problem in taking online classes? No, that means everyone is aware how to take the classes. No, I like science. Okay, Kisler like science more. Okay, more. Okay. Okay, so that means you are familiar with the online technology and you are familiar with the math. Okay, how many of you give Olympiads? Maths Olympiads. You can, okay, do not raise your hands in the videos, you can use the reaction. Okay, Prakriti, yes, Aditya, I can see the hand, okay, yes, okay, great, 3 of you. So many of you have given the Olympiad. That means, do you have any idea that what happened in the Olympiad? Is it the regular questions or there is something new in that? You can write on the chat. Yes. What you feel there is difference in Olympiad? In Olympiad questions. New in that. Okay. Yes. I want to take your opinion. What you feel, what is an Olympiad? How it is different from your regular class? Do you read something new? Or this is the same thing? See, if I explain you the concept or the basics of the questions is actually the same, but you apply your thinking power more in that question. That means there are some tricks in the questions. If you are able to get that question, then everything is easy. Okay. And in this sessions, we are actually dealing with that. You have to just understand the question. Math is nothing. If you do it properly, if you understand the question well, then there is nothing difficult. Okay. So basically, we are going to deal with many practice questions in this session. And if you are able to do that, then any Olympiad of any subject it is given to you, then it will be easy. Okay. So we are going to do the basics as well as we will do the advanced level. That means if you are in fifth, you will able to do some of the concepts related to your sixth class as well as seventh class, but it will not be hard. The basic is same. Okay. And obviously we are going to learn with all of you. We are going to learn about different methods, how to do the same question based on different methods. Or maybe possible that some of the method you will tell me, right? That I have done this question in this manner. There can be many options. Okay. So you can tell me or you can suggest your friends also that I have done it in less time. So, okay. So we will deal with that only, that how to do the same questions in less time. Okay. Okay, students, got it? So you can just lower your hands so that I can ask you some other questions. Okay. So do you have any doubts regarding this? Okay. If I talk about myself, then from 2015, I have been working in this field that in regarding your Olympiads, regarding your different schools and Olympiad questions that is coming. Okay, so we will do many more questions. We will practice many questions. Okay, so I think everyone is clear with that, that what we are going to do. Okay, so over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Gunjan ma'am. Thank you so much. So kids, Gunjan ma'am has given you all the details about these classes, the importance of these classes and the importance of Olympiad examinations, right? And at Olympiad Success, we certainly believe in laying down your foundation really strong and clearing your concepts, which will be helpful for your future competitive examinations as well. So now kids, continuing with our session flow, now Rajan sir would be taking up a short PPT. So over to you, Rajan sir.
Yes, sure, ma'am. So I'm just sharing my presentation. My screen is visible?
Just coming. Yes, now it is.
Okay, thank you. So students, welcome to the demo of class 5 mathematics. So let me tell you about a student. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online tuition platform for Olympiad exam. We have Olympiad live classes, and this is our third year in live classes. We have School Plus program students. In School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication spoken written, both Vedic maths as well as coding. What else? We also offer online CBSE plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 to 10, one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, CMO, Hong Kong International Mathematics Olympiad, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO, and also JEE Main preparation classes. So these are rank holder for session 2021, 21-22. So we got many international rank 1 students. So now students, about this course, there will be 20 students in the class, and classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. So there will be 3 sessions per day. The days will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and timing will be 8 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. So the class duration will be 75 minutes, and the session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and we will also discuss previous year paper. And students, you will also get reading material and practice question, which are available on Olympiad Success dashboard. And students, you will also get free access to worksheets of mathematics as well as logical reasoning. Now the syllabus link I will share in the chat box. So the fees for this course is 9,560, and there will be 45 sessions. Okay. Payment link I will share in the chat box. The fee include online classes, daily reading notes exercise, practice of previous year paper, and you will get access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning worksheet. And students, if you enroll today, you will get free CMO exam, that is Crest Mathematics Olympiad. Now, you need a laptop with good internet speed to join this course. And students, as you know, like preparation for Olympiad exam is tougher than regular school curriculum, as there will be some topics from your upper grade also. So student will be required to spend approx 2 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum, and parent support will be needed to check answers and repeat the concepts. So students, the live classes for this course will start from 9th May, and currently we have students from 3,800 schools, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, students. Now Aarti ma'am will give you the tour of the Olympiad Success Dashboard, and after that, if you have any query, any doubt, we will take that. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a brief introduction. Now, kids, I'll just share my screen for the tour of the platform. So kids, now what you have to do is basically you have to go to this link, which is olympiadsuccess.com/login, and there you have to enter your username and password. So you would be getting your username and password. With that, you need to log in. Once you log in, you would be redirected to the profile page. Now, to access the live classes content, you have to click on the live classes tab over here. Once you click on that, this is what you are going to see. Basically, the subject list, the topic list, view schedule, holiday calendar, Zoom meeting ID, and password. Okay, under the subject list, all the subjects would be coming for which you have enrolled. So this is mathematics class. I'll just select mathematics. Now there would be topics which we would be covering in this course, entire course, so number sense, computational operation, etc., etc. So let's say if I have to see content for geometry, I'll click on geometry. So here you can see like a lot many reading material sets and practice question and answer key sets are available. You have to just click on any one of it for your practice. And here the reading material of geometry would open up. Just go through it, okay, for your study, for your reference. And then once you are done, click on the practice questions to practice the questions from here. So you have to mark your answers. And once you're done with this, once you're done with the practice questions, you can match your answers by going to the answer keys set. So here you can see the answers. What are the correct answers? And here, if you can see, view schedule button. So on this PDF, basically, you can find the complete schedule of this program session wise. So here, like we would be telling you like what would be happening in session 1. So basically number sense, Roman numbers and numerals in session 1. In session 2, successor and predecessor, session 3 what, and session 4, if you see, there would be a test and discussion, right? Then computation operations and etc., etc., and then again a test on computation operation. So after every 1 or 2 topics, we do conduct a test, and once the course gets finished, right? So it generally gets finished within like in lesser number of classes as told. So here we have 45 sessions, okay? But then your course will get completed in 39 sessions, and the remaining 5 to 6 sessions would be your for doubt solving, solving of previous year papers, and anything which you bring in, like any of your queries, any of your doubts. So these are named as super classes, okay? So your 5 sessions would be absolutely practice, practice, and practice. So we would make sure that you learn each and everything very nicely, right? So your concepts are really strong. Then we have the holiday calendar. So on this page, you can see the days on which we won't be conducting the classes, okay? Now, finally, we have the Zoom meeting ID and password. So here your meeting ID and password would be displayed for you to access the live classes. Now, to access the topic-wise worksheets, what you have to do is just click on the worksheets tab. This is the subject list drop down. So here you have to click the respective subject. So let's say computational comprehensive mathematics, and here you can see the topic wise worksheets available for you. So here we have computational operations 1 to till 10. I can see there are topic wise. So for 10, there are 10 worksheets are of computational operations. Then for decimals, we have 4, fractions, we have many. So overall, you would be getting 72 worksheets for your practice, and these all are topic wise. Also, one thing, like in each worksheet, there would be 25 questions, and these worksheets are in the form of test. So you have to click on the start worksheet button to start your test. You have to read the question, mark the answer, and move to the next question. So I know many of you would be thinking, ma'am, what are you doing? You are writing the incorrect answer, but that's all right. Okay. So once I'm done with the test, I'll just click on the finish button and I'll say, yes, I've reviewed all the questions. And then I will be shown the answer key, right? So here my answer is wrong. It has given me an explanation by like what exactly you have to do in this question. Okay, so your question, your options, the correct answer, and your answer. So in a similar fashion, the details about each and every question present in that worksheet would be given. Now what happens, like once you have closed this window and you have to see your answer key again, in that case just click on this performance tab. So once you click on this performance tab, here you can see like a list of all the subjects is available. Okay, you have to just click on all if you would want to see all the worksheets which you have attempted, or for any particular subject, you have to just click on that particular subject and click on the view button. So a summary of the examination would be given, like in how much time you have completed the test, what your score is, what the percentile is. And then you have to click on the review button to see the answer keys again. And from here, you can practice with the questions once again. So that's it about the platform, the dashboard, which you would be able to access. I'll just stop the screen sharing. And now if you have any doubts, you can write it down. So Aditya, yes, you have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a question. You can write it down in the chat section, please. Ma'am, the Olympiad will be taken online. So Aditya, like this is the preparation part which we are talking about, right? Olympiad Success, it's a preparation platform. So these live classes are for your preparation. But in case if you're interested to appear for any of the Olympiad examinations, because there are many Olympiad organizations which conduct various kinds of Olympiads, right? And for today also, as Rajan sir has mentioned in his PPT, so if you enroll today for this course, you are entitled for a free Crest Mathematics Olympiad examination. So Crest Olympiads, as a few of you would be knowing, it is Asia's largest online Olympiad examination. You can check its details by going to its website, which is crestolympiads.com, and there you can see. Okay, and like wherever you wish to apply, you have to go to their respective websites and apply. But then for Olympiad Success is just a training platform where you will be get trained for various subjects. I hope I've answered your query, Aditya. Yes? All right.
So students, any question, any doubt do you have? You can write in the chat box. Madhura is saying no doubt.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, no question. Okay, let me ask one question to you. So can you tell me like what are the days and timing on which we are in the classes? You can write in the chat box. Let's see who remember. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 to 9:15. Yes, correct, Madhura. Okay, and how many number of sessions there will be? 45. Yes, correct, 45. Okay. So can anyone tell like this course will complete in how many months?
That's a tough question.
Yeah.
Rajan sir has asked.
So you need to do a basic maths.
Come on, quickly. 3 months and a half. 3 to 4 months. So is this answer correct? Are Animesh and Satvik correct? What about other kids? Three to 4 months. So I believe, Rajan sir, we have a brilliant batch of students today, so they know, right?
Yes. Correct, ma'am. Correct. So I think if anyone not having any doubt or any question, shall we start with the demo? I have a doubt that it will be a daily classes. No, Prakriti, as we mentioned, the classes days will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and timing will be 8 to 9:50. That is 75-minute duration of the class. Do anyone have any other question or any query? No? Okay. So I think Aarti ma'am, we are ready to start with the demo.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So Gunjan ma'am, over to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, let me share the screen. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am, it is with.
Yes.
Okay. So, students, what topic we are going to cover today? Can you have any idea? Do you guess? Write it on the chat. Which topic we are going to cover? Very good. Okay, yes, math. But in math, the topic is time. Right. Great. So whenever we are going to start with the regular class, the first 10 minutes we will pay for the revision. Okay. And after that, we will do the class. And in the end, if you have any doubt, then you can ask it in later, or in meantime also you can ask in the regular classes. You will be unmuted if you are asked to. Okay. And I hope that every student will practice the questions every day, whatever be the topic we are going to study. Okay, that means you will not lag behind, and meantime you have to give the test also. So by the time you will prepare properly for the test. Okay, in before 2 or 3 days I will announce that yes, we are going to have the test. So you have to complete all the practice sheets till then, and you have to give the test properly. Okay, now before starting with the mathematics class 5 and time, okay, let me start with the presentation. The today's topic that we are going to cover is, first we will understand converting time, that you already know and you have already covered in your previous classes. I think converting time means how many seconds, how many minutes are there in 1
Gunjan
hour.
ma'am, sorry to
Yes.
interrupt. We can see only the first slide of yours.
Okay,
Yeah.
1 minute, sir. Now is it visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just tell me that is it next slide is visible now?
No, ma'am. Slideshow is not working.
So actually I'm changing from here, but it is not
Yeah,
visible on your side.
you can do one thing. You can just ma'am stop slide showing and you can just click on the slides for changing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So today's topic that we are going to cover is converting time. First, we will understand how many seconds, how many minutes, how many hours are there. Okay, that you have already know in your previous classes, I think. Then we will do some addition and subtraction of time. Many questions come in regarding this topic only, that what is the total duration, what is the elapsed time. Okay, then we will learn about what is a 12-hour system and what is a 24-hour system. And we will do some word-based problems and some good questions based on your Olympiad. Okay, I hope the outline is clear to you. Okay, so let's take a quick recap of the formulas that you have already read. So can you tell me how many minutes? Okay, you already know. That's great, Prakriti. Okay, great. Yes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Very good. They both come. Okay. Yes, 3600 seconds in 1 hour. That means you know my next questions also, that what I'm going to ask you. Okay. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That is correct. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That is also correct. and 1 day is equals to 24 hours. That is also correct. So wonderful, kids, you have given me the correct answer. But now I'm going to ask you, now 1 day is equal to how many minutes? Can you tell me? 1 day is equal to how many minutes? Just have pen, paper with you. Minutes. Okay. 1440, 1 day. Is it correct, students? Oh, someone is saying 3600. I'm asking you, 1 day is equal to how many minutes? Yes, those who have given me answer 1440 minutes, that is correct. Excellent, guys. What you have done to find it? 1 day is equal to 24 hours, and in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So that will be equal to 24 into 60. That's great. That means 24 into 60 is 1440 minutes. That's great. So that means you know how the basic formulas, how to do the conversion. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. Is it visible? Adding time? No? Okay. Now, adding time is visible to you? Okay. Now I think it will be clear. It will be visible. No? Rajan sir?
Ma'am, slide is visible.
Adding
Slide
time,
is visible.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
adding time slide is visible.
Okay. Now, see students, what you have to do, you have given some type of questions like, suppose Nita requires 3 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds to solve 100 questions. And Nita requires 1 hour, 30 seconds, 30 minutes and 55 seconds to solve 100 questions. Now, both of will do the 200 questions. First Nita will do and then Nita will do. Then how many total minutes will be required to complete 200 questions? Such type of questions can be asked. Now, how you will add two types of questions you have to do. Now, there are steps written here. Follow that and then I will tell you how to do it. First, try to solve it yourself. So first, what you have to do, treat all the columns separately, add up all the columns, except as if there are more columns that is exceeding 60, then you have to lend it to the next column. That means first you will add seconds, then minutes, then hours. Always remember that your seconds cannot be greater than 60, your minutes cannot be greater than 60. Okay? Now, how will you do it? Write it on the chat, what answer you are getting. Yes, Aradhya, you can write on the chat what answer you are getting. Let's see. No. Anil Singh. Okay, great. Animesh. No, Aradhya, 3 hours cannot be possible. You are adding 3 hours, 1 hour, so it will definitely 4 hours. No, Satvik, check your seconds. Okay, Subhashpita correct, Sanvita correct. Okay, so many of you know how to do it. So let's understand here. Okay, see, first what we will do, we will separate it in different columns. Okay, so first we will add seconds. So 30 and 55. What is the total sum? That is equal to 85, right? But we know that you cannot write above 60. So your 85 will be written as 60 plus 25, right? So this is 60 seconds and 25 seconds. But we know that 60 seconds is equal to what? 1 minute, right? So this is actually what? 1 minute and 25 seconds. Okay. That means in place of 85, I can write 1 minute and 25 seconds. Now, if you are adding 20 minutes and 30 minutes, then what will be the answer? That is equal to 50 minutes. Okay. Now, if you are adding hours, 3 hours and 1 hour, that is equal to 4 hours. Now, our answer is 4 hours, 50 minutes, 1 minute, 25 seconds. Now, we can join this 50 minutes and 1 minute also. That means our answer is 4 hours, 51 minutes and 25 seconds. Is it clear? Any student who is having any doubt, they can raise the, yes, Kisle, you have doubt? Okay, let me do it on the board, or do you have any, should I give you one question based on this? Okay, can you see on the board? Everyone? Okay, let me give you one question based on this. Let's see you are able to do this or not. The question is, you have to add hours, minutes and seconds. Question is 40 seconds, 30 and 4. This is 33 and 2. So you have to add this hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, and tell me the answer. What will be the answer if you add this? You have to start with the second. If it is going beyond 60, then you have to convert it into minutes and transfer the minutes to the next column. Then add minutes. If it is also going above 60, you have to carry forward to the hours. Let's see what will be the answer. Okay, great. Prakriti, you can't see the board clearly. Okay, yes. Just check your internet connection. Yes, great. Subhashmita, check again. Okay, yes. Someone is saying 7 hours, someone is saying 6 hours. Please check your answers. It will be 6 hours or 7 hours. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Very good. See, 40 and 29. When we add together, this becomes 69. Okay, so 69 is greater than 60. That means I can write 60 seconds plus 9 seconds. Okay, now this 60 seconds is 1 minute and 9 seconds. Okay, now here, if we add together, this will be 63. This is again greater than 60. That means I can write 60 minutes and 3 minutes. Okay, now this 60 minutes is 1 hour. And this we can write as it is 3 minutes. Okay, now this 4 and 2. 4 and 2 means 6 hours. Okay, that means 6 hours here. Now that means our total answer is 6 hours, 1 hour, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 9 seconds. Now combine both of this. 6 hours and 1 hour is 7 hours. 3 minutes, 1 minute is 1 minute. And this is 9 seconds. Is it clear how to do it? Any doubt in this? Sorry, I have written something wrong. 4 minutes. 1 minute and 3 minutes and 1 minute is 4 minutes. Okay. Any student who is not clear with this, just raise your hand. How to do this? If they are not clear. But I think many of you are clear with this and give me the correct answer. Correct, Animesh. 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Correct. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Now we will understand about what is subtracting time. You have understood how to add the time. Now we will understand what is subtracting time. Okay. Now again, you have to convert it into different columns and you have to subtract. If your above column is is less, that means you have to take 60 minutes from the next column. So how will you do it? Try to do this. 3 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 55 seconds. Let me write on the board also. Now you have to subtract. You don't have to add, you have to subtract. Let's see how many of you give the correct answer. I'll give you 30 seconds. After that, we will try to solve. If you are able to do, then it's great. And if you don't, then don't worry. I will going to tell you how to do it. Yes. Okay. Subhashmita Nanda has given me the answer. Why, Kisme, you can't say? You have to just write. We will check that you are giving me correct answer or not. Don't worry. It will be right or wrong. If you are tried, that's great. Great, great. Sangeeta has also given the answer. Okay, great. Animesh. Yes, other students, please be fast. Or I should tell you. Yes, Arya. Aradhya, okay. Yes, Animesh, what happened? Devapam, Prakriti, what happened? Sanvita, Sameer, yes, how to do this? Okay, so I'm stopping the sharing. Just check that you have given me the correct answer or not. So, see, here this is 55, this is 30. You cannot subtract the bigger value from a smaller value, right? So what we have to do, we have to take the borrow. But this is minute and this is second. So how you will take the borrow? If I transfer 1 minute here, this is the minute. If you transfer 1 minute to this side, then 20 will become 19, right? Okay, but how 1 minute is transferred here? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. That means it has transferred 60 seconds, right? So how many seconds it will be having total? In total, this has become 60 plus 30, that is equal to 90 seconds. Now I can subtract 55 from 90 seconds. Okay, so 90 minus 55, what will be the answer? 35, right? So this is equal to 35 seconds. Now, how many minutes we have? 19 minus 30. Again, you cannot subtract 30 from 19. So again, we have to take borrow. So it has transferred 1 hour to this side. 1 hour means how many minutes? It has transferred 60 minutes. If it is transferring 60 minutes, that means your 03 will become 02. Yes or no? Now this 19 will become what? 19 plus 60. So 19 plus 60 is what? 79. Okay. So that means it has become 79 minutes. Now the new value is 79. Now 79 minus 30 is 49. Okay. 49 minutes. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. That means 1 hour, 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Is it clear? Whenever your upper value is greater than is lesser, then that means you have to take borrow from the next column. Next column means you have to add 60 in that. Okay, clear? Should I give you one more question based on this? Okay, let's check. Question is 4 hours, 32 minutes, 14 seconds. Here you have 42. Here you have 40, and here you have 2. Now you have to subtract. This is hour, this is minute, and this is second. How to do this? Any student who is not clear how to do this, we can again do it. Means just we have to subtract like a simple subtraction. Yes, you have to just do the simple subtraction, but this will be taken as 1 unit. Okay, this 32 will be taken as 1 unit. You have to add 60 by taking borrow. Yes, how to do this? Okay, Subhashmita has given me answer. Let's see that it is correct or not. Sanvita, okay. Sanvita, give me proper answer. How many hours, minutes, and seconds? You have given me only 1. Okay, great. So, yes, I am getting the correct answer, I think. So, see here, this is 14. This is again less. So, I will carry 60 minutes from here. That means it will become 14 plus 60. That is equals to 74. Now 74 minus 42 is 32. Okay. Now 32. Okay. Now this has become 31. Now again it is less. So I have to borrow it. So this will become 3. And this 31 will become 31 plus 60. That is equals to 91. So our new value is 91. Now 91 minus 40, 1 minus 0 is 1, and this is 31 minutes. Okay. Sorry. 51 and then 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. That means 1 hour, 51 minutes and 32 seconds. Correct. Those who have given me this answer, that is correct. I think you people got how to do the subtraction. Clear. If it is clear to you, that means you can calculate the elapsed time as well. Okay. Now, let's understand what do you, okay. Let me share the screen. Okay. Is it visible? Okay. Now, you have seen about different types of clock. One is your digital clock and one is your analog clock. Have you seen both types of clocks that is visible on the slide? Okay, the one that you are seeing that is on your wall clock, it is your analog, that is your wall clock that shows only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. After that, this will again repeat to 1, 2, 3, right? So you know how to read the time on that. But there are some clocks that show digitally. That means after 12, it will show 13, 14, 15, 16. Do you know what type of clock it is and what type of hour system it is? So that is called your 24-hour system, when your hours are divided from 1 to 24. And in a day, you have 24 hours. So after 12 noon, your timing will be start from 13, 14, 15. Ma'am, I know a funny story of 24-hour clock. Okay, Vibhupam, we will listen to you in the daily classes. Okay, when we are able to unmute you, then we will definitely hear about that. Okay, so that means after 12 p.m. we have 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on up to 24. That means 24 is what? That is 00 timing. Okay, now AM and PM, that means from 12 AM to 12 noon, it is AM. From 12 to 12 midnight, it is PM. Okay. Now, how to convert that? Is it visible? Next slide is visible to you. Now, that means 13 is 1 PM, 14 is 2 PM, 15 is 3 PM, 16 is 4 PM, and so on. Clear? Now, can you convert this 24-hour system into 12-hour system? If I say 23 hours, what does that mean? If I say 23, time is 23. What does that mean in 12 hours? Yes, Madhura, correct. 11. 23 means 11 p.m. Correct. Now, if you have to convert it, that means what you have to do, you have to just subtract by 12 and you will get the answer. You don't have to subtract minutes and seconds, just subtract hours, just subtract 12 from it. So here, if you have to convert this 24 hours into 12 hours, just subtract 12 from the 23. Okay, you will get 11. Okay, now the next question, that is the duration of time. This is mostly this type of question asked in your IMO. That what is the total duration of doing any activity? Suppose some activity started at 9:30 a.m. and it end up at 10:30 a.m. What is the total duration? That means how much amount of time you require to complete that. Okay, now first answer. Can you give me what is the total duration? Yes, Sanvita, correct. 1 hour, 1 hour. Prakriti, correct. Animesh, correct. Everyone is correct. Very good. That means total 1 hour is required. Now, second question. From 8:40 to 10:27 p.m. Always keep in mind what it is written. AM, PM, PM to PM, AM to PM or what. Okay. 8:40 to 10:27. If you don't know how to find it, just subtract the bigger value. First, write the bigger value, subtract the smaller value from it. The same way you have done the subtraction. But here there is no second. Yes, 1 hour, 47 minutes. Someone is saying, let's see. Yes. So the first bigger timing is 10:27 and then it is 8:40. Just subtract it. Now, this is hour and this is minutes. So 27 is less. So we will take borrow from hour and 10 will become 9. And since it has transferred 60 here, so this will become 27 plus 60. That is equal to 87, right? Now, what is 87 minus 40? 87 minus 40 is 47. So that means we have 47 minutes. Prakriti, check your answer. Okay, that means 47 minutes. Now, 9 minus 8 is 1. So that means total duration is 1 hour, 47 minutes. Is it clear, everyone? You can raise your hand that it is clear, so that we can move on to the next. Only one person is saying that it is clear. 2, 3. For rest of the students, is it not clear? Yes, 5 students are saying that it is clear to you. I want all your hands. Okay, 7 students. Okay. Okay. Now, how to do the third question? Yes. Let's see how many of you know this. No, Subhashmita, Shanditha. See, this is the trick that Olympiads also gave you. One is your AM and one is your PM. So how can it be 30 minutes? One is in day and one is in night. So from day to night, how can it be 30 minutes? 10:45 AM and 11:15 PM. See, in that case, you have to convert both of them in same format. That means 24-hour format. So we know that 10:45 AM, when we write it in 24-hour format, it is again 10:45. But if you write 11:15 PM, then it will be what? Write 11:15 in 12-hour format. So this 10:45 AM is 10:45 only. But this 11:15 PM in 24-hour format, it will be 23:15. right? Now subtract both of this. Now again it is a smaller value, so you have to take the borrow. So this will become 22 and this 15 will become 60 plus 15, that is equals to 75. Now subtract 75 and 45, you will get 30. So this is 30, that is correct. But 22 minus 10 is 12. So that is 12:30. 12 hours, 30 minutes. So those who have given me this answer, that is correct. Shanvita has given me correct. Madhura also gave me correct answer. Yes. Okay. So is it clear? First, you have to understand that also, that you have to convert them into 12 hours format. Okay. Next, let's move on to the next slide. Okay. Yes. Now tell me the answer. Monty was solving a puzzle. The time at which he started and the time at which he solved the puzzle is given below. How much time did Monty take to solve the puzzle? See, these types of questions are basically IMO based questions. If you are able to solve this, that means our aim is complete, that you are getting how to solve IMO or Olympiad based questions. They basically ask you these type of duration questions or elapsed time questions. Yes, Subhashmita, correct. Excellent. Can you tell me what is the time shown in the first clock? What is the starting time? Write it on the chat. What is the start time? Yes, Subhashmita, correct. Yes, Animesh, no, this is not correct. Animesh, no. Arya, you have written something, but I didn't get it. Devokam. Yes, Devokam, your answer is correct. Now see the options. Are your options matching with it? You have to convert your 1 hour again, because all the options are in. Yes, Animesh, correct. Shanvita, correct. Arya, you are writing something, but I'm not getting it. See, in the first clock, the time is 5:55. And in the second clock, the time is 7:25. Now you have to find the elapsed time, or if you have to find the duration, that means you have to subtract end time minus start time. So 7:25 minus 5:55. Yes, Prakriti, correct. Now, again, you have to take the borrow. That means it will become 6, and this 25 will become 25 plus 60. That is equal to 85. Now, 85 minus 55 is 30, and 6 minus 5 is 1. That means 1 hour, 30 minutes. But all the options are given in minutes. So this 1 hour has to be written as 60 minutes. And this is 30 minutes. That means total we have 90 minutes. Okay, so your correct answer is option A, 90 minutes. Excellent, guys, those who have given me, and those who have not given me, I hope they are clear how to do it. What happens for those who are not able to give me the answer? Should we move to the next slide? Yes or no? Okay. Great. Next question. Be ready. Yes, so this is your solution. I have already told you how to do it. Okay. Now, next question is this. Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m. Read the question carefully. Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m. and walked for 15 minutes. So can you tell me what will be the time after 15 minutes? Write on the chat. What will be the time after? Okay, you can't see the slide? Okay, 1 minute. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, slides are visible now.
Okay. Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m. and walked for 15 minutes to get a bus. He boarded the bus immediately. Can you tell me at what time he boarded the bus? After 7:45 a.m. After 15 minutes he walked. What will be the timing at he taken the bus? Correct, Subhashmita. At what time he took the bus? Arya, your answers are not coming to me. I can see on the screen that you are writing something. Okay, okay. Yes, at 8 a.m. he will take the bus and drop him at school at 9:15 a.m. So what is the total duration from 8 a.m. to 9:15? Yes, correct everyone. 1 hour 15 minutes. Great. That means how to do it? You have to just add 15 after 7:45. After 7:45, when you add 15, the timing is 8 a.m. Now that means from 8 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. you have to find. You know that from 8 to 9 it will be 1 hour. Then 15 minutes more. That means 1 hour 15 minutes. Clear? Everyone is clear with this? Okay. So let's move on to the next slide. Am I going a little faster? Is it so? If anyone finds it, you can tell me. Okay. Yes, our demo will be of 30 to 40 minutes only. Okay. And our regular class will be of 75 minutes. 5 minutes will be given to break. Okay. Next slide. Next slide is visible. Back.
Hello. Yes, students, I think there is some network issue on Gunjan's end. Okay. So, can you let me know, like, how was the session? Do you like it? You can write in the chat box. That's excellent. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, students, in the chat box, best. Okay. Thank you. Then in the chat box, I have shared some links. Okay. So, what you need to do, you need to copy the links and save somewhere. Okay. So, to join the live classes, this link will help you. Okay, students. So this is all for the demo, and now Gunjan ma'am will meet you in the live classes. If anyone have any doubt, please ask. Or do anyone have any query, any doubt? No. Okay. Okay. Okay then, students. Thank you for joining today. I have shared the links again. You can just copy and save somewhere. And now we will meet you in the live classes. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Bye.